Hey, big guy. How are you and Mr. Meerkat doing?
Is this gonna hurt?
That's a great question, honey. You are the only one who can tell us how your body feels. The hospital helpers are in charge of keeping your body safe, but also helping when something hurts. If you feel something that hurts, you tell us, and we'll work together to help you.
Okay.
Our feelings are for feeling, not for fixing. Let's take a big, deep breath together and help those feelings move through our body.
Thanks, Mom.
And do you remember what we're gonna do when you get out of surgery?
A movie pillow fort and ice cream.
You got it! You're gonna be great! I am so proud of you!
You must be Eddie. I'm Becky. I'm a child life specialist. My job is to teach kids about what happens when you visit the hospital and help you with all the feelings you have while you're here. I know you might be feeling nervous, which is totally normal. I get nervous before new things I haven't done before too. We are here to help you and your mom along the way, and most importantly, take great care of you. Who'd you bring with you today?
This is my mom.
Hi, Mom. Nice to meet you. And who's this?
This is Tom. He's a meerkat, and he has a brother and a sister just like me.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Don't you worry. We're going to make Eddie better so you can both play with your brothers and sisters in no time. Now, Eddie, can I tell you about your surgery today? Room number 1 is called pre-op, and it's the room we're in now. This is where we take your temperature and blood pressure, listen to your heart and lungs with a stethoscope, and get you ready for surgery. You'll meet your team of hospital helpers here too. Room number 2 is the operating room. In the operating room is where you'll get sleep medicine called anesthesia first, and your surgery happens after. Anesthesia is medicine that you can only get at a hospital. Anesthesia makes your body sleep so deeply you don't feel anything while the surgery is happening. Room number 3 is the wake-up room. The wake-up room is where kids go when surgery is done. The nurses will make sure you're safe and get Mom back to you as soon as possible.
Is this gonna hurt?
That's a great question. Helping you be safe and helping you be as comfortable as possible are our 2 most important jobs as hospital helpers. Remember, the anesthesia medicine will make sure you don't feel anything while the surgery is happening. You are the only one who can tell us how your body feels. So if you feel pain when you wake up, all we need you to do is tell us. We'll work with you and Mom to help ease the pain as quickly as we can. Do you have any questions for me before we get started?
No, I think that's it. Thanks, Becky.
You're welcome. My friend, Nurse Scrubs, is going to help you get ready. He laid out those special clothes for you. Go ahead and get changed, and we'll come back when you're in your hospital jammies.
Looking sharp in those new clothes, Eddie. All right, big guy. Temperature, height, weight, blood pressure, oxygen, and heart rate all look great. Can I borrow your wrist for a second? You get your very own ID bracelet with your name, birthday, and special number on it for your big day today. Perfect timing! Good news, Eddie. The Dream Team is here! Let me introduce you to your team today! For your all-star anesthesia team, we have Dr. Berry as your anesthesiologist and Nurse Green as your nurse anesthetist. Together, they're going to help you fall asleep during surgery so you won't feel, see, or hear anything.
Anesthesia's the medicine that makes me sleep so I don't feel anything, right?
Correct. I can tell you're a good listener. The anesthesia medicine helps you sleep much deeper than you sleep at home, and you're exactly right. It helps you not feel, see, or hear anything while surgery happens.
In order to fall asleep, you will breathe into a special bubblegum smelling mask. Your job will be to take really big breaths through this mask. Can you and Mr. Meerkat show me some of your best big breaths? That's perfect. You guys nearly blew me away.
Mom, it really does smell just like bubblegum.
Thanks, Nurse Anesthetist Green. Eddie, after you fall asleep, we will add an IV that slides underneath the skin. It's like a tiny straw to help provide water and medicine to your body.
And working right alongside your anesthesia team is your all-star surgical team. Please meet the one and only Dr. Flash.
Don't worry, Eddie. We're going to get you all fixed up. I'll meet you and Mr. Meerkat in the operating room.
And last but not least is Nurse Mac. He's not only your operating room nurse, but he's also your driver. You ready to hop on this bed, and cruise on over to room 2?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
To Eddie's successful surgery.
Cheers!
Looking good, team. Eddie, how are we feeling?
I didn't even feel a thing. It felt like it happened so fast. I had a sore throat when I woke up, but the nurse gave me some medicine for pain through the straw in my hand, and now I feel better.
Your surgery went great. You were so brave. We're gonna get you out of here soon. We wouldn't want to keep that movie pillow fort and ice cream waiting.